Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a new high paint project and selecting a canvas ratio that matches the output you need. Once done, import an image or use auto scan so the app generates initial masks and color zones. This saves manual selection time. Make sure to pick a brush preset and set the pressure curve now, because consistent brush dynamics prevent repaint artifacts later. While you set opacity to 100% for base coats, enable edge detection to keep selections crisp and predictable. You next refine the composition by organizing layers into layer groups and locking the base to avoid accidental edits. Then, use the Smart brush to correct automatic masks, feathering edges by 0 to 5 pixels and nudging the edge by +2 or -2 to fit contours. This avoids haloing. After that, apply adjustment layers for color balance and use blending modes like multiply or overlay at 50 to 70% opacity to add believable texture and shadow depth without repainting everything. You finish by creating a flattened visible copy as a test layer, then export in the required format and DPI while confirming the color profile. Before finalizing, run the one-click cleanup. Denoise between 10 and 20 and sharpen 5 to 12. Then preview. This balances clarity without introducing halos. If you see color shifts after export, toggle the app's color management to sRGB and re-export at 8-bit. That resolves most profile mismatches. If a layer won't update, relink its source or clear its.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.